If you need to recover your Zalo account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the recovery process. Step 1. Open the Zalo app. Launch the Zalo application on your device. If you are logged out, you will be prompted to enter your phone number to log in. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password option. Tap on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Choose Recovery Method. Since you do not have access to your phone number, select the option that allows you to recover your account using your email address or any other available recovery method provided by Zalo. Step 4. Follow email instructions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact Zalo support. If you are unable to recover your account using the previous steps, reach out to Zalo's customer support. Provide them with necessary details about your account to assist in the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Zalo account without your phone number. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek help from Zalo's support team.